Okay, so I'm 75% of the way there on my overall goal of collecting 100,000 Cro coins. That is Cronos. Of course, they've rebranded here since then, but I still like to say Cro coins. Cro. And here's the thing. My original goal was 100,000. I'm really close to that. I need 25,000 more, but the price has been moving up a little bit, so I've slowed down the process just a bit, but I want to jump in and show you where I'm at and why I'm so bullish on Cro. So, with all that being said, we're going to cover it here in this one, and I'll be right back. Cronos, top 25 cryptocurrency, ticker symbol Cro, right now trading just under 13 cents. I'm going to share my screen. I thought I already did that, but I didn't. There you go. And it's at 12 cents right now, just about 13 cents. We've actually been in the 13-cent range here today. As we could see, this is the 7-day. Let's bounce into the 1-day. You can see we actually popped up over 13 cents here just this morning. I was actually already in the office here, 8 o'clock this morning Eastern time. And yeah, saw that happen, get up over 13 cents. So I'm hanging back right now. I'm really not accumulating because I'm waiting to see if this overall market is going to pull back. That's what everybody's saying, right? And I'm not saying that's wrong. I think we are going to get one more or maybe even two more sell-offs at some point. But here over the past month, we did see Cro go all the way down to 9 cents. And I did accumulate down here. I accumulated more at 10 and 11 cents as well. Now, last year, I started accumulating Cro at 10 cents as well, back in 2021 when they announced the UFC partnership, that 10-year deal, right? So here's where I'm at right now. I have now accumulated 75,000 Cro, almost to my 100,000 goal. My average cost is 12 cents. It's actually on the high end of 12 cents. It's like 12.7. So right now I'm technically just in the profit overall. So bullish on the long-term outlook of this project. Remember, Cro almost got to $1 the last bull run here. And we could see that by popping back over here to the alt chart. And when Cro was going ham last November, got all the way up to 90 cents before it started to sell off. But we are so early when it comes to Cro, in my humble opinion here. We can go back and see, to the alt chart back, way back in here where it consolidated. This was last year when it was just hovering in this 10-cent range for a very long time. Look at that consolidation we saw. Man, it would have been nice to get in this thing way back here in 2019, right at 1 cent. But obviously, I wasn't in crypto that heavily in 2019. I dabbled in Bitcoin back in 2017, but didn't really take it serious until 2020. And yeah, so I did accumulate some here right back in here last summer when the whole market just was consolidating. And then we saw the nice price pop, even up to 18 cents. I was excited. This was right around the news of the UFC coming out, and then the explosion last fall. But so many things have yet to be delivered on for Cro, and we have so many things in the works for the future of the Cronos blockchain that I think this is a pretty safe bet, in my opinion, right? All investing includes risk, right? But there's a difference between just risk that you throw some money around and see what happens versus a calculated risk like Cronos for me in my portfolio. So let me know if you have Cro, how you're feeling about Cronos long term. For me, it's been Cronos, Gala, and ADA that I've been focusing the most on right now in terms of accumulation. When it comes to altcoins, I'm also buying Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. So I'm happy with where I'm at with my Cro holdings right now. And I need 25,000 more Cro. So personally, I wouldn't be terribly upset if we saw Cro go down below 10 cents again, because that's where I'll look to get in again. If I can lower that average cost to about 10 cents or 11 cents, I'd be happy with that. And I would sit there with my 100,000 Cro. But then the hard part comes in, right? Patience. We sit and we wait for things to come to fruition. Patience is a virtue, my friends. As always, thank you so much for popping into the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, if you like content like this, and I will see you all in the next video.